Hey guys, my name is Claudia, and today we'll be visiting different places around the world and tell you guys about different species that are endangered or threatened. We are at Antarctica with these penguins. These penguins are endangered of losing their habitat by the end of the century due to climate change that will make these glacier and icebergs melt. The Empire penguins and the Adélie penguins rely on all manner of ice floes for foraging, migrating, melting, and resting. And other penguins that live in Antarctica. If their habitat is lost, that means we won't have these cute and friendly penguins. The penguins are not only losing their habitat, it is also losing their friends, the polar bears that are also on these ice floes. Let's ask the penguin what is happening to his friend. Well, my friend polar bear stands on these ice floes to catch their favorite food, fish. But sometimes these ice floes break and they float away, leaving them stranded out in nowhere. The ice platforms move farther apart and swimming conditions are harsher for these poor polar bears. Well, there you have it. This is what's happening right now to these poor creatures. Now we will be going to China to visit the famous giant pandas. I'll be now telling you about the giant panda. Right now the panda does not want to show its face. The panda was once considered endangered, meaning that the population, the amount of pandas living in an area, was decreasing that could have led them to become extinct. Luckily, we have these wonderful people and organizations that help increase the numbers of pandas and other animals. The organization WWF and the Chinese government's National Conservation Program helped the giant panda in its habitat. They are now classified as vulnerable instead of endangered. However, its friend the red panda are endangered due to their habitat destruction by the people, which is also getting rid of their favorite food, bamboo. Just like it was with the giant pandas. Now we'll be going to the beach with the baby turtles. In the sand lays the eggs of the sea turtles. Climate change has an impact on sea turtle nesting sites. It alters sand temperatures, which then affects the hatchlings. Also, the beach has pollution of chips, bags, soda cans, bottles, and other trash. This trash interferes as the baby turtle goes back to the ocean. The light around them also affects them, as the human lights confuse them to where the ocean is. Now I'll be going to the ocean where these baby sea turtles will be going. Here, the sea turtles are endangered due to trawling, a method of catching fish, as they are injured or killed by these nets. These methods of fishing affect the corals and all living things below. The sea turtles that are captured or harmed by them have led to the number of turtles to decrease. The sea turtles also mistake the trash in the sea, like plastic bags, as food. They could die from eating this. Moving on, we're now going to visit the desert. Here I have my friend tortoise. He is from the species of desert tortoises, and these are a threatened species. This is also because of the habitat destruction, as they are destroyed by vehicles in their burrows. Poaching and driving off highway vehicles within tortoise habitat threaten tortoises' populations. Also, trash is a threat to desert tortoises. The trash can be mistaken for food by these desert tortoises. Once consumed, may remain in stomachs and intestines, giving them a false sense of fullness that may cause them to starve. So these are some reasons why tortoise population is decreasing because of humans. So what can you do? One way is by learning about your local endangered or threatened species, and even go to national parks or refuges to see them and learn more about them. You can also make your home wildlife friendly by making sure the trash is well locked away, so they won't be attracted to the trash. Another way is by providing habitat for wildlife by planting native vegetation in your yard. This can help attract native insects like bees and butterflies that can help pollinate your plants. You can minimize the use of herbicides and pesticides. You can also buy recycled paper, a sustainable product like bamboo, and forest stewardship council wood products to protect the species that live in forests. Another way to protect it is not by purchasing products made for threatened or endangered species. Protect wildlife habitat. As seen by this video, the animals are in danger or threatened is because of habitat destruction.